Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Pathan Hussain Khan from YB Chauhan College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Today I am going to speak on the topic Strong States for Strong India on the occasion of 6th Indian Student Parliament 2016. We know about today India is truly strong and powerful not because of its military and growing economy but unity in diversity between the different states present in India. The Republic of India is considered as one of the possible emerging superpower of the world with the help of developing states, that is Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. India is the second most powerful and growing country and having large armed forces. Country must overcome many economical, social and political problems before it consider a superpower. India is trying to develop high skilled and trained and professional people to fit in the future knowledge in the states. India are the largest non-native English peoples present in the world. For example, all parts of body play important role in body functions. If any part of body injured, then whole body function will get disturbed. If you want to make strong body, then all parts of body should be function properly. Then if the villages are strong, it will make state stronger. And when state becomes stronger, then ultimately nation becomes stronger. That's why strong states are important for strong nation. States will play important role in governance and maintaining order and laws and providing basic amenities like agriculture, healthcare, housing and water supply, garbage disposal and its own area as well as affected area present in the state. To become strong, the government of the state should be made all citizens economically secure. That is, as the GDP, that is gross domestic product of the India becomes world fastest growing economy in 2015 with 7.3 GDP rate. Top state in GDP includes Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. They contribute in GDPs. Kerala stands first in Human Development Index among the states present in India. National average Human Development Index for India 0.586 in 2014. But challenges that they are overcome to make India states become stronger. That's geographical factors, locations, power. Demographical factors, that is high population of India in the world. Political factor and economical factor. The current economical growth has improved its standing on world political stage. Developing challenges in science and technology, medical services and infrastructure. Some states have reformed faster than others because the education and infrastructure and manpower is there present in states of India. To become a strong nation, we need unity, integration and cooperation between the states of India. And I would like to conclude that if you want to make the nation to become stronger, we need to make our states stronger. Thank you.